Hello guys, today I have received this kitchen faucet. Let me show you what comes inside. This part right here is just a cover in case you want to use it. You have the option of using it or not. You do get included a user's manual, a counterweight, some conversion kits in case our hoses are bigger or smaller. Then you can actually get this conversion kit. We have this blue tool that I'm going to show you what this is for. And finally, our kitchen faucet right here is going to come disassembled. All you need to do is practically just press it like this, and it's going to be assembled. Now it's time to install it right here. Installation is going to be very simple. Very important for you to notice is washers right here. You're going to get 3 of them. This is a plastic one. This is a metal one. And finally, this is our screw that we're going to go ahead and tighten up, okay? And at the end, we're going to use our Phillips screwdriver and tighten these 2 screws so that way our faucet, is perfectly installed. Plastic washer goes in first, and then the metal one, and then this one we're going to use it to tighten everything up. Once we put it on the right position, then we're ready to use our Phillips screwdriver and tighten it up. Here we have marked blue, which is cold, and red, which is hot. We can use one of these to tighten up. Now it's time to connect this to this connector. That's it. You just push it and it connects. Also, we need to install the counterweight so that way this is not loose. It even has an indicator where to put the weight. Look at how beautiful the faucet looks. This brushed nickel color is definitely very nice. The kitchen faucet has 3 modes, okay? First of all, it has this broom feature. It also has, this mode to fill up, without splashing. And then it has the sprayer mode so that way you can clean, easily your sink. And it even pulls down about 20 inches. This is very versatile. Together with the 360 movement of this faucet, it's very useful. During our unboxing, I showed you this blue key. This is to remove the bubbler. Sometimes these faucets become clogged. So this one has this tool where you can easily just remove the bubbler. Then you simply rinse this, clean this, and install it again, and your faucet is completely clean. This guarantees a longer life for your faucet. You can do this installation yourself. As you saw, I didn't require much of tools. I didn't require a plumber, no professional, experience at all. This installation was very quick and very simple. Well, I hope that all the information that I shared with you, including installation, how the faucet looks, the operation of the faucet, was very helpful to you. I definitely want to thank you for watching and see you in the next video.